The basketball video just got.
Oh, you can't understand now.
Keep it.
Sorry.
She's editing her video. Later. Because my phone dropped. So that's why the other basketball video is my camera or my phone is right in here. It's in here and it drops. So we're gonna do a roast yourself.
Roast.
Kinda 30 seconds.
Ow! So now we're just gonna make up the lyrics to roast each other. So I'm gonna roast her. Show yourself.
She's gonna make some roast herself. She's gonna serve.
Wait. I'm gonna tell you something. Hi.
She's gonna make a lyrics for her roast yourself. So for my roast yourself is kind of 30 seconds only because I cannot do it longer. So we're just gonna go outside. So I'm just gonna show them the roast yourself in here. Lip sync it. And we're back again in the Nipahan.
Mika, today we're gonna do the picking thing for the roast challenge. And here's Acerbic Gaming. Okay. I know. I'm with Acerbic and Lynette the vlogger. Lynette GVC. And him.
My new YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's a new one. Well,
But in the Lynette the vlogger, it's still on. But I'm not posting videos on Lynette the vlogger because in this phone, the Lynette the vlogger account, I don't know what is the email address, only the password. So in my other phone, the email is in there. So there's no any charge. So let's do it. I think I'm just gonna prank some people in here. Hey, let's prank some people in here.
okay, let's prank. We got a person here.
What's up, yo?
Hey, man.
What's up, girl?
We're gonna prank some person with Acerbic Helene. Kate is editing video over there.
No, she's vlogging.
Yeah, like editing or post to YouTube of his video. Hey, let's prank some.
It's scary out there. Let's go in there. Let's go out here.
It's the top left one.
Trying
To prank the one. What? Evil. You're so
evil.
I'm not evil.
Evil.
I'm not even
I'm an
pranking.
angel.
Hey, you're the devil. I'm the angel. You're pranking those people out there. I'm just gonna do something, okay?
I'm thinking some lyrics for the roast.
But we're gonna prank. We're gonna prank now, while not starting the roast challenge. Go.
Not today. Next week, I'm just gonna upload the roast yourself.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this? This jacket under. Oh no, it's Nike. And it's Kobe. What's that?
It's dance.
It's a dance.
Videos.
Say to Kate. We're hiding in Kate.
Say, alam ka lang. Ikaw na lang. Hindi, ikaw sa'yo na. like that.
And now I'm hiding in Kyle's.
So
Now
I'm
I'm trying to
putting-
shock.
Okay. So I put it there in this box. Look, first.
So no one just nominate us three for the roast stuff. But we're just gonna make but I'm gonna so that's why
Okay. Here are
every
the
location.
choices. Give me,
The
Kyle.
lights.
Kyle.
I'm just gonna practice my
Yeah, let's practice this now. Okay. Helena GVC. I can tell it.
okay. Introducing the new GVC.
Sure, it mo na man. We're gonna wear.
How I didn't tell you guys
What we're gonna wear.
who
Let's wear some shoes.
no.
Shoes.
In the video I'm not
That's
gonna
ulam. Ah, wait. I'm gonna try.
I'm not gonna show my foot.
I'm gonna try and put shoes.
But I
That
don't have
is
any
so.
more some some shorts that is for house. I just have
Like this one.
this.
I already told them in the first video.
I just have like this shorts. Yes.
Let's make that video. Not tomorrow, but on the next day tomorrow. You're on vlogging today.
It's Wednesday today.
Yeah. Let's
On
make-
Friday I'm just gonna I'm gonna upload
They
the
already know that. We're gonna try and make it in Friday. We're gonna try our best.
I'm gonna upload the video on Friday.
We're gonna try it and upload it.
We are Filipino.
They already know that.
Kaya say Tagalog.
No, they're not gonna understand it.
Pag when
I can't put captions.
if someone subscribe at Filipino, they can understand.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna end this.
Come on,
I'm not
man.
gonna end this vlog. I'm just gonna cut it out because I'm gonna film some how to speak Tagalog.